Well, we're not expecting too much of that tomorrow morning with snowfall expected here. We are expecting about 1 inch or so in the Pittsburgh area, Westmoreland County. Elevated areas, though, right along and north of I-80. We'll likely see a little bit more than that, probably looking at most likely about 2 inches, but there will be some isolated totals that'll be even more than that. It's 34 now. It's cloudy again at the Pittsburgh airport. Have seen a little bit of sunshine poking through at times for the morning hours. The winds are now out of the south at 6 miles an hour. We still think we'll get to about 40 degrees for our high. Those winds out of the south should help that. The dew point, though, still very dry. It's at 20 degrees at this point. Check out Morgantown. They're at 37. Latrobe 36. Pittsburgh 34. Butler at 33, and still cloudy. Cool weather up in Franklin, 29. They've seen some light snow at times in the Franklin area, Venango County, already for the morning hours. As we're heading into the afternoon, we're going to go 41 for your high. We'll still call it mostly cloudy. We'll see plenty of clouds, but I still think a little bit of sunshine. Wanted to get right over and talk about what we can expect as we're waking up on Tuesday. For the most part, you're expecting 1 to 2 inches of snow. Once again, there will be higher totals north of I-80 and in those elevated areas. I do think the Pittsburgh area sees generally about 1 inch of snow. And remember, that's likely going to be what's on grassy areas. The asphalt pavement areas is still a little warm, so we're going to see a lot of melt going on right there. So here's what you need to know. Snow impacts the morning drive on Tuesday morning. That's the big concern at this point. Right in the middle of rush hours when some of the heaviest of those snow rates are going to be rolling in to places like Allegheny and Westmoreland County between about 6 and 10 o'clock. Windy behind the heavier snowfall that we'll see in the morning hours, including wind gusts that could top 40 miles an hour at times over the day on Tuesday. And also, we'll be looking at snowfall from lake effect snow coming in. Also, another round of snow. Won't be as much expected with another clipper low that'll push through on Wednesday. So here's about what we expect it to look like as we're wrapping up the day on Tuesday. You can see those areas 1 to 2 inches from Butler, Newcastle, elevated areas as well. The Pittsburgh area, about 1 inch or so of snow that has fallen at that time in the Pittsburgh area. Once again, I think it's going to be minor inconveniences on roadways. Most of the snow that falls is going to melt on contact, but we will have some slush out there. That certainly means you're going to have to change those driving habits. We do have some updates when it comes to our severe weather that we're seeing. Lake effect snow warnings now in effect for places like Venango County. We also now have a winter storm watch for elevated areas. That's brand new, and that goes through Wednesday afternoon at 1 o'clock. Some of those winter storm watches still off to the north or up to 4 o'clock on Wednesday as well. So here's the SEC system that's going to be sliding in, and that's going to be the first of what could be 3 rounds of snow. You can see that one coming through right between 7 and 10 o'clock. We'll have a secondary system that will come in also behind that on Wednesday, and a final system on Friday is what we're expecting. Here's your 7-day outlook. 41 your expected high today. Tuesday high of about 34 degrees, and on Wednesday we're expecting a high of 30 degrees, so you can see the chilly weather that's going to be in place for the rest of the week. Also note another chance for some accumulating snow on Friday of this week.
Well, snow in the forecast. I guess we can't get around it. It is
that time
winter.
of the year.
Yep, exactly.
All right,
Ron, thanks.